How to add payment method on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a payment method on Amazon shopping app easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Amazon. This is the home page as you can see. Now go down here, click on your profile. After you click on your profile, it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you go here. You will find your account option and swipe right here. Click on your payments and now click on add a payment method right here. Choose the payment method that you want to add. You can add, for example, a credit card. Now fill the informations and click add your card. Don't forget to like and subscribe.